Hey my friends, Alesso made one of the most iconic emotional progressive house remixes of all time. It has over 164 million views on YouTube, and it is an all-time banger for festivals like Tomorrowland. Today, I show you from scratch how you can remake this track, and I show you all the mixing and mastering techniques you need to get the same sound, so you can make professional masterpieces like this and get famous. Let's go. So for the first step I take a preset that sounds very similar to the original one. Yes, this one. And now I remake the melody by ear. By the way, I make this whole remake with my upcoming sample pack Lion 3.0. Stay tuned for this pack, it is super amazing. It goes something like this. Yes. The melody is super simple but somehow very emotional and nostalgic. And I think that's it. Now I add a few more presets to make it sound more accurate to the original track. This sounds dope. I only use Serum for this, but my pack has also 100 Length 1 and 100 Spire presets. Basic EQ. The lead in the track sounds delayed, so we add the fruity delay onto it with these settings. Sounds already amazing. For the next step we need to add a fruity peak controller because I want to link my reverb to it, so the reverb is more controlled and clean. I first adjust the reverb settings like this. And now I link the wet knob to the peak controller and click on inverted. I adjust the settings here a bit. Now the reverb is nicely automated. We need some multi-band compression. And the transpire to give our leads more transient. And now sidechain compression. Next we need to make the chords. First I pick a preset. Yes, this one. I first lay down the bass notes. They go like this. And I am making the chords also by ear. Done. I now chop them. And I think I change the envelope settings a bit. Some EQ. I give them a gated effect. And now sidechain. We need to layer it with another preset. This detoned one fits good. We going further to the bass. First we set up the sub bass correctly. Sidechain. And I saturate it a bit for more harmonics. EQ boost. And the mid basses. With the EQ I make it crispier. With this plugin I saturate it a bit more. One mid bass more. I make it pluckier. And I think we need to add one bass layer more. Distortion. And I think I need to push the mid-highs a bit more. Yes. Echoing your sounds is very important. And now let's take some time to mix our elements together before we go into the drums. Here you can see how I do it. I check with the span if I need to boost or to decrease some frequency ranges. I feel like I could boost the highs for the leads a tiny bit. Let's check the leads individually again. They are beautiful. I could decrease the 300 Hz area for the sub bass. And the mid basses could be more gated. Yes. Wow guys, this is such a nice stack of sounds. Now let's continue with the drums. This one. I like to boost the 200 Hz area. I just use my ears on this. Next, some claps for the energy. I going further with some ambiences. Wow, the ambiences from the Lion 3.0 pack are outstanding, I must say. This one. Let's decrease the resonating frequencies a bit. Yes. Of course I show you the detailed mixing process because you boys are here to learn. Let's check. This one's dope. Let's mix it properly into the track. Nice. Now some downlifters. Just watch how I mix them into the track. Nice. For some more energy we need to add a drum fill. And maybe a cymbal transition sound. And right. And now we are ready. Let's check if the remake is accurate or not. But first you have to mark the 22nd of March in your calendar, because on that day I'm dropping my brand new progressive house sample pack line 3.0. It's filled with 300 fresh presets for Serum, Length 1, and Spire. In addition, it has over 450 drum and FX samples of absolute top quality, and it is topped with 20 royalty-free melodies and chords that you can use for your own releases. I promise you, you will love this pack. Click on the link below to save your seat for the early waiting list, because there will be a 50% discount for the very first ones. And now, let's listen to the remake together that we made with the Line 3.0 sample pack. We take the original build-up which fades into the remake. Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.